Hello everyone, my name is Kirsi and today we are going to speak about vowel sounds. We can say that we produce vowels when the air flows out of mouth without any block. Or the vowel sounds are voice because when we produce them, you can feel the vibration like E, O, A. Okay, then we can say that the vowels depends on the position of our lips, if they are rounded, spread or relaxed, position of our tongue, high, mid or low, if the vowel in the vowel length, like if it's short or longer, and how tense is the vowel. We can say the vowels is tense or relaxed. Okay, then I'm going to tell you about 50 vowel sounds right now, and let me show you the chart. Now let's pronounce the vowels. We have E, E, A, A. Those are the front vowels, and we have the U, U, O, O. Those are the back vowels, and we have the mid vowels. There is A. Okay, and we have the more common diphthongs that are I, ow, oi. So we can explain a little bit of them. For instance, when we say E is a high front vowels and it's spread because we say E. Our mouth is not rounded and is tense, E. Also, the vowel is long, like B. This is the sample, B. Okay? When we say it, that is the second sound. We have the vowel is high front. Our lips are spread, E, and is relaxed. Also is short, and the sample is sit. So if we are